Welcome to the world of Flutter 3.0, where coding feels less like a chore and more like a fun game. This latest version is packed with groundbreaking features that make app development smoother than a buttered slide. With enhanced performance, new widgets, and improved tooling, Flutter 3.0 is like giving your coding skills a double shot of espresso. Imagine building stunning apps faster than you can say, hot reload. For developers, this means not just a boost in productivity but also a shiny new resume that'll make hiring managers swoon. Get ready to level up your career and enjoy the ride. What's new in Flutter 3.0? Flutter 3.0 has rolled out the red carpet for some dazzling new features. First up, we have the Material You Design system, which lets your apps shine brighter than your morning coffee. Say goodbye to tedious coding with the new dev tools that make debugging feel like a walk in the park, if that park had Wi-Fi and unlimited snacks. The addition of new widgets means you can create stunning UIs faster than you can say, widget tree. Plus, improved performance enhancements mean your apps will run smoother than a cat on a freshly waxed floor. Get ready to code like a pro. Performance boosts. Flutter 3.0 is like a turbocharger for your app development, giving performance a serious upgrade. With optimized rendering and faster compilation times, your apps will zip along like a cheetah on roller skates. Real-world applications, like Google Ads, are already reaping the rewards, enjoying smoother animations and quicker load times. Remember the days when apps felt like they were stuck in molasses? Well, those days are over. Flutter 3.0's enhancements make it feel like your app is powered by rocket fuel instead. So buckle up, because with these performance boosts, your users will be in for a thrilling ride. Cross-platform magic. Flutter 3.0 is like the wizard of app development, casting spells that simplify building for multiple platforms. With a single codebase, you can create apps for iOS, Android, web, and desktop. Talk about a multitasking magician. Take the popular app Reflectly, which charms users across devices, all thanks to Flutter's cross-platform prowess. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for developers, minus the risk of cutting your finger. No more juggling different codebases like a circus performer. Flutter makes it as easy as pie. If pie could magically appear on every device. Get ready to enchant your users everywhere. Community and ecosystem. The Flutter community is like a bustling coffee shop where developers gather to share ideas, tips, and the occasional meme. With a treasure trove of packages and plugins available, you can find everything from state management solutions to quirky animations. It's like a candy store for coders. The importance of community support can't be overstated. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always someone ready to lend a hand or share a laugh. Remember that time someone solved a bug with a clever pun? That's the spirit. Together, we're building an ecosystem that's as vibrant as a rainbow after a storm. Real-world applications. Flutter 3.0 has powered some impressive apps that are making waves in the digital world. Take Google Ads, for instance. Its sleek interface and lightning-fast performance make managing ads feel less like a chore and more like a game of Tetris. Then there's the stunning Reflectly, which uses Flutter to create a journaling experience that's as smooth as butter on warm toast. And let's not forget about the e-commerce giant Alibaba, where shopping feels like a delightful treasure hunt. With Flutter's capabilities, these apps offer unique features that keep users engaged, proving that functionality can be both effective and fun, like a clown at a serious meeting. Why you should consider Flutter 3.0? Thinking about making the leap to Flutter 3.0? Well, buckle up, because this framework is like a magic carpet ride for developers. With its cross-platform capabilities, you can build stunning apps for multiple devices without losing your sanity or your lunch. Adopting Flutter 3.0 can open doors to exciting career advancements, making you the go-to developer everyone wants on their team. And if you're worried about switching frameworks, just remember, even superheroes had to change their capes sometimes. So why not embrace the future and let Flutter 3.0 take your skills to new heights? Your career, and your code, will thank you. In summary, Flutter 3.0 is a game changer, packed with groundbreaking features that make app development faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. From its cross-platform magic to performance boosts, This framework not only enhances your coding experience but also opens up exciting career growth opportunities. Imagine building stunning apps while enjoying job satisfaction that feels like winning the lottery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your fellow developers. Join our community as we explore more about Flutter and other tech wonders, because who wouldn't want to ride the wave of innovation together?